Hey everybody, I'm Brad with Bullseye Power Turbo, and what I have today is an excellent upgrade for your CAT ACERT engine. For the owners that have those over-the-road trucks that are doing everyday tasks like hauling and pulling, you're definitely going to want to check this setup right here. Bullseye Power offers two different packages for CAT ACERT engines, and this is going to be the 1000 horsepower, and they do offer a up to 1500 horsepower package. This is going to have the TCT titanium high pressure turbo. It's going to come in a 78 millimeter size, and the low pressure size it's going to be an 88 millimeter. So you're definitely going to want to spec your decision if you've got the fuel and tuning capabilities to go up to that 1500. That's going to be an 80 millimeter high pressure turbo, and it's going to be a 95 millimeter low pressure turbo. Bullseye has engineered these turbos to be a direct replacement for your factory compound setup that is on your CAT ACERT engines, and it's going to provide lower EGTs, more power, less smoke, and it's going to maintain that excellent drivability that you need for everyday use that's not going to risk any type of tuning issues or hassle that you're going to end up dealing with in order to do this upgrade. Like all of Bullseye's products, these are proudly built in America. These are going to provide those CAT engines a huge power upgrade, and you're not going to have any issues like you would with upgrading to a single oversized turbo. Whichever package you decide to go with, these come with a matched pair of high pressure and low pressure turbos. And just remember that this is going to be a direct replacement for your factory turbo, so it's going to be a clean compound install. And like I keep saying, this is going to be for your CAT ACERT engines. These are not going to be a universal box of parts that'll fit on any application. At the core of both of these packages, you're going to find Bullseye's titanium TCT compressor technology, built from the same advanced TCT and patented Batmo wheel development that they use across all of their performance products. The lightweight and highly efficient titanium wheels that you see in these turbos are going to provide more airflow, faster spooling, and going to maintain that excellent drivability that you rely on to have every day in your rig. Just like your factory setup, nothing's changed. You're going to have the low pressure side that's going to take in that atmospheric air, compress it down, force it into the high pressure side where it's going to get compressed again before it enters your engine. This two-stage compression is going to help you provide more air, steady airflow, and it's going to allow you to hit up to that 1000 or 1500 level, and it's going to be more reliable than if you were to do a single oversized turbo upgrade. This kit that I have with me is the 1000 horsepower setup that they provide, and it is a 78 millimeter high pressure turbo with the 88 millimeter low pressure turbo, and these kits are specifically designed for trucks that are in that 800 to 1000 horsepower range, and it still work every single day and still have plenty of street life ahead of it. Bullseye Power is no stranger to the diesel world, and these kits definitely provide a easy install for CAT ACERT owners. If you're looking to upgrade your CAT engine and you have been in the market for something like this, I highly recommend checking them out at bullseyepower.com. If you're looking for an easy upgrade, a quick upgrade that's going to be seamless and provide more power, more torque, and end up being cleaner smoke and end up maintaining that drivability for everyday use, I highly recommend, like I said, check them out at bullseyepower.com. Select the products tab where you can find both of these awesome kits to find more information about them today.